Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of PatPat and you will click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.